guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is about the famous headband wig, okay? Everybody's getting them there so easy, super duper easy. Now, this is my first time rocking this particular color. I did have a burgundy wig that I made before, but color is not my thing. I'm usually just basic and 1B. But this wig is by the Eayon store, and it's 18 inches, and it's human hair, not synthetic, body wave. But it seems more like on the curly tip to me than body wave. However, the hair is soft, didn't have any smell. Let me show you guys what's the back. Look at this, you guys. Loving it, okay? It was so easy to install, you guys, and you guys will see that in the next part of this video that's coming up. So stay tuned. Okay, I already slicked my edges down or brushed them back with the Got To Be glue gel, the black one and the clear one in the black bottle. And now I'm just putting some Cream of Nature edge control on. And I like this because it has argan oil in it, and it doesn't make my edges dry. You know, we gotta preserve those edges, you guys. Just souping this baby hair out. And I've already taken the hair out the pack. I should have took it out of the pack, you know, on camera, but I didn't. Sue me, okay? And also, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this wig with my own money. And yeah, it's not sponsored. The hair is human hair, and the color is 99J according to the description from when I bought it. And you guys, this hair is just so soft. I mean, it's really, really soft. Doesn't have a bad smell at all. And I think I might be repeating myself. I may, but oh well. And yeah, this is like the easiest style ever. And you know, have you ever seen somebody take an easy style and make it super hard? Like flat iron it and put barrel curls in it when it already has curls in it, like body wave curls. And actually, this is a body wave wig. Brazilian body wave, as it says in the description. But you guys will see that in a second. Hold on, I have to get the wig. I have to get the wig out. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, Lola. Let's get the wig on. Yeah, my braids are old. They're old. I'm gonna redo them sometime this week, next week, the week after that, one of the two. And you guys, this it's not really small head friendly. I have a small head, and it's kind of big. And I don't like using the clips, so I was going to try to use it without the clips. But that did not work out for me, so I ended up using the clips anyway. I didn't put them all the way in. But I did use them just to secure it. And I was saying that black band is too big. What I actually could have done is folded that back and then put my green band on. See, that's when it slipped back. And I was like, okay, let me use these clips. Cause can't have this thing popping off nowhere, slipping off in public. Even with it up, you guys, I was just looking at that. Even with it up, it looks good, like up in like a little messy ponytail or a messy bun. I'm gonna try something different with it, you guys. I surely am. I sure am. Or it could be half up, half down, but I don't really like half up, half downs with the headband wig. It look really good, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit of shine to it. So I'm gonna put some Shea Bella Aragon oil on it. That's what that is right there, and that's from a company called Melaleuca. That's their Shea Bella line. This, you guys, this oil smells so good, and it's so light, but it gives a lot of shine. Ooh, looky that, you guys. Looky that. I was actually supposed to do this video yesterday, but I had a migraine, you guys. And I said, I'm just going to go on. I'm going to do it even with the migraine. Man, I looked at that wig in that bag, and I was like, I can't do it. There was no way I could even sound it like this or fake the funk of a fake smile and all that other bullcrap. Nope. So I just said I'll do it today, and then I'll have to do another one back to back because I said I was going to record Mondays and Wednesdays. And yesterday was Wednesday. So I had to do this today. And I'm going to have to do another one tomorrow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love it, you guys. Okay, gotta make sure that little doodad right there, that little baby hair stay. It's always that one that never stays. And I don't know why, you guys. Put some super glue on that crap. Well, I think I'm cute, you guys. I think I'm cute. Okay, you guys, this wig is not small head friendly. It actually has a big cap because you guys can see when I was putting it on, it kind of slipped back. I don't like using the clips, but today I used the clips because I don't want to be out and about and then the thing that's having to slip off. So with that being said, I used the back clip, has a clip in the back, 2 clips in the front, and I clipped it on. And like I said, the hair feels really, really good, and it wasn't that expensive. You know, it was a decent price for a human 18-inch headband. And I'm gonna see what I can do with flat iron this or something, but I don't think, I don't like taking easy styles and making them hard. So it's probably gonna stay like this. Most likely it will stay like this. And it said it had a middle part, but I didn't see a middle part. But this is so pretty, isn't it, you guys? I just love it. I love it. And I said I wasn't gonna wear it. I was just gonna do a video on it, but I'm gonna cute. What? Yes. Look at that. Ooh, it would be cool if it was longer than I thought. Well, if you stretch it down in here. However, I might get my next one kind of long, y'all. What y'all think? Again, I will put everything about this headband wig in the description box. So go in the description box if you want to know more about this headband wig. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay? Okay? Guys, I really, really like this. I'm gonna get out of here because I just did my little my outro. I was gonna say extra, baby, extra. But look, you guys, just look. Look at that there. Thumbnail. Okay, bye-bye, you guys.